Hello friends, September is here, and Wall Street just got a major signal from the Fed. But is it enough to keep this rally alive? Or are we staring at the first cracks? Welcome to Chart Whisperer. Yesterday, Waller, as you know, one of the voting members of the Fed's committee, gave a very dovish speech. By the way, Waller is seen as having a strong chance of becoming the next Fed chair. Current market odds put him at around 30%. The next likely candidate after him seems to be Hassett. Waller said, essentially, we need to cut rates in September and then we'll see what comes next. He acknowledged that he understands the concerns around tariffs, although he personally doesn't share those fears, but noted that it's something worth monitoring. This pretty much locked in a rate cut and added to the sense of relief across markets, especially following the resolution of the Google antitrust case. Moving to the technical analysis, let's start with the Dow Jones. In my previous analysis, I pointed out that 45,077 was a strong resistance level, and now it is turned into support. We're still holding above that line. The Dow has been moving sideways over the last couple of sessions, but the overall direction is still up. The UT bot indicator hasn't flipped negative yet. The MACD has turned slightly lower, but it remains above zero. So the key level to watch is 45,077. If we get a full daily close below that level and our indicators flip to a sell, I'll update you in future videos. Now over to the Nasdaq. It opened in the green today but is trading sideways. Yesterday it gained 1.18%. As I mentioned in the last video, it touched the 100-day moving average and bounced higher from there. Our UT bot indicator has just turned green, which is a positive sign. If today closes strong, that would confirm the shift. The MACD is still negative, but since it's above zero, the trend remains up. No sell signal here yet, though we could see some sideways action for a bit. Looking at the S&P 500, we also discussed this in the previous video. The 6,481 level has been a strong resistance. The index bounced back from around 6,500. Yesterday, it closed up 0.66%, and today it's modestly higher again, around 0.19%. The UT bot is still red, and the MACD is pointing slightly down, but both remain above zero, so no real negativity yet. The trend is still up. Remember, the S&P is the key benchmark for US markets, so it might consolidate here for a while. The support level to watch is 6,312. A pullback to that area would be a perfectly healthy correction in my view.
Russell closed higher yesterday, up 0.27%. The UT bot here remains green, MACD above zero, and the trend is still positive. The key support to monitor is that orange zone we've marked, roughly between 2,347 and 2,300. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you some clarity on the markets. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. The markets never stop whispering. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.